Hello. So today I just get some new content, new revision content from one of the junior member of the group. So let me show you how I go through this stuff. So I previously have so he made a comment. He makes some added block on these TDD website on a page. So I'm going to go in there and take a look on whether or not I want to improve this, whether or not I want to approve it, or are there any content that I may want to add. Let's take a look. Now usually what I like to do, I go into the page and I have my page, which is a people page, right next to this, so it can guide me in where I want to go for. So let's see. So this is what is the TDD cycle. What's going on here? Over here. What is the TDD cycle? Okay. So he added something here. Let's have a look. No, let's go to here. What is TDD? TDD. Right here. Okay. So, okay. Right. So he added this long story short block. And I don't really 100% agree that we may need this. So this is, I also wrote something right before this. So I'm going to add this comment in here. Just like this. Okay. In here, and to know more about this stuff, also remind me of okay, right here. All right. So these are the comment I made earlier. So what I said was I don't really like the idea of having a new tags just for that job. I feel like we already have another tag that do the same job, which is summer, which is clearly explained in the Rome research, the Rome syntax documentation, which I'll cover other day. So now what I just suggest that okay, I also make a comment that okay, if you disagree, you want to start continuing conversation, you may consider using the conversation tags, which basically a reminder that okay, there will be more than one comment, right? So we want to keep this comment here. So until the let's take a look here. Until there is a decision that decide on the direction of this block, I want to accept this. Then I could remove it. So here's only it just said conversation tag is used when there are more than one comment on the same topics. This will remind other member to not delete comment tags because no decision has yet been made on the topic. So now I made this here. So in his page, so his Jacko page, he will definitely see this come up on his page. So by not going to any other place, he can start reviewing and decide whether or not he wants to maybe add conversation tags here, conversation tags, and then spark some conversation like this. Comments, send to who. Send to is enough now because anyway, let's just send to and then blah blah. Right. Yeah, I'll comment on the probably make a separate tutorial on how to use conversation tags. So yes, this is going to be a demonstration for this. I feel I was doing this earlier this morning, and I feel like this is a good exercise and a good demonstration of how the workflow is actually work on real time. Right, thank you very much.